Hello chemistry students, this is just a really quick video on how to do the first and the sixth problem on the worksheet for converting moles to particles and particles to moles. This is the first assignment from chapter 11, and I just wanted to show you how to set the problem up and how to type in the numbers in your calculator. So the first problem here, we have converting 5.75 times 10 to the 24 atoms of aluminum, and we are converting that into moles. So I took my 5.75 times 10 to the 24 atoms, I put it over 1, and then I'm multiplying that by 1 mole over Avogadro's number. Remember, Avogadro's number is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So, because we have atoms on the top over here, this 5.75 number, and we have Avogadro's number on the bottom over here, this means division. So let me type that in the calculator, and here's how I would go about typing that in. So I'm going to type in 5.75, so 5.75, and then to type in scientific notation, there's a couple ways you can do it. I like to use the EE button, and that is right there above the 7, the EE button. If your calculator doesn't have it, don't worry. There's other ways to do this, but I'm going to do it that way first. So I'm going to hit second function, the EE button, and then I'm going to type in 24. And then I'm going to hit divided by. Depending on your calculator, you may or may not have to use the parentheses key. I'll just use it just because it's a good habit to get into. So I'm going to hit the parentheses key, left parenthesis. Okay. And then I'm going to type in Avogadro's number, 6.02 to the 23rd power. And then don't forget to end your parenthesis. So there you go. There you have it, 5.75 times 10 to the 24 divided by, in parentheses, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. I hit equals, and I get 9.55, and then a whole bunch more numbers, and I'll just round it to 9.55. So I'm going to write that down right here, 9.55. So there's my answer, and the answer would be moles. Okay, let's do problem number 6. In problem number 6, we're given 4.75 moles, and we're converting that to particles. So I take 4.75 moles, put it over 1. I put 1 mole on the bottom, and then I put Avogadro's number on top. And so because both numbers are on top and I only have 1s on the bottom, this is multiplication. So let's type those numbers in. 4.75. So 4.75, and I'm going to go times. And let's say you don't have the EE button in your calculator, you can still use scientific notation. Just got to make sure you use parentheses. So I'm going to do left parenthesis, 6.02, and I'm going to type in times 10 raised to the, so here's the raised to the button, raised to the 23rd. And then don't forget to put your right parenthesis in there. And that would work. Just make sure you use the parentheses to put your whole number in parentheses. It's very important. Equals, and there we have it, 2.85475 E24. That means times 10 to the 24. I'll round that to 2.85 times 10 to the 24. 2.85 times 10 to the 24. 2.85 times 10 to the 24. And there you have it. There's the answers for the first two problems, and that would be atoms as a unit there. I hope this helps, and double check that you're getting those answers. If you're not, you are typing things in incorrectly, so try them again.